Do you desire to spend more quality time with the ones you love so you can enjoy the greatest relationships ever and be there when they need you the most? Many people feel they're doing the best for their family, working long hours, but aren't, because all our families want is for us to spend more time with them. I felt I was failing in my relationships with my wife and children. I was missing my family's life events and wasn't there when they needed me most. Do you feel that way too? John worked 60 to 70 hours in a corporate job to get that promotion he felt would give him the income to retire early and spend additional time with his family, but instead found he was working more hours. John came home late one evening. As he walked in the door, he said hello, but nobody answered. He looked around for his family and found they were all in the lounge watching TV, had eaten, bathed, and were ready for bed. He then realized he was losing his family and that he needed to change his life before he lost everything. His family, his home, everything. He found an answer: the concept of digital marketing. All he had to do was learn how to use current systems and technology and put the right message in front of the right people. We're so lucky today with so much information on the internet. All we need is some guidance on how to implement this concept. I have the guidance on this concept. You can click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video. This will take you to my registration page. Just share your name and email address so I can share you the information on how to get the life-changing guidance. We can change our lifestyle, have a more fulfilled life, no longer stressed, improved health, and spend quality time with our family, enjoying our favorite pastimes. Be the partner your spouse dreams of and the parent your children crave. We don't need a product or service of our own. We can use well-known international companies' products and services and market them online. We can even earn while we learn until we earn the income we want. With this concept, there's no age limit. All that is needed is an internet-connected device. No need to find a brick and mortar store. No large initial outlay. No boss to answer to. Work the hours we want. Work from anywhere in the world. Earn an uncapped income. You can click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video. This will take you to my registration page. Just share your name and email address and I will share you the information on how to get the life-changing guidance. Take the first step towards reclaiming your time and nurturing your most cherished relationships. Click that button now.